Suzy, c'est pas dit de Bréa hein.
Brigitte, t'as vu quelque chose?
Last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, my mind's been bent on rambling. To Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision and followed with a will till next I came to anchor at the cross near Spencer Hill. It was on the 23rd of June, the day before the fair, when Ireland's sons and daughters and friends assembled there. The young, the old, the brave, the bold came their duty to fill at the parish church at Gloomy, just a mile from Spencer Hill. I went to see my neighbors to hear what they might say. The old ones were all dead and gone, the young ones turning grey. I met the teller quickly, he's bold as ever still. Sure, he used to mend my bridges when I lived at Spencer Hill. I paid a flying visit to my first and only love. She's fair as any lily and gentle as a dove. She threw her arms around me, saying, "Johnny, I love you still." She was Meg, the farmer's daughter, and the pride of Spencer Hill. She was Meg, the farmer's daughter, and the pride